What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be going over how to attach Magpul's ambidextrous sling attachment. So first thing, you're going to want to take your upper receiver off, take your buffer spring and buffer tube out, and then you're going to need an armor's wrench for this, or really anything where you can loosen your locking nut for the buffer tube. So I already loosened it just to make this go a little quicker. And so first thing, you're going to want to loosen the nut. Be careful when you're taking this back plate off because there's a spring for your pin in there. So the pin's already out for me, but just be careful because that pin will shoot out if you're not careful. So then you're going to want to push your retaining pin for your buffer spring down and then loosen the buffer tube and then slowly pull up, or else that will pop out as well. Take the whole buffer tube out. Now this comes with little pins that you have to put because that replaces this little notch right here. So as you can tell on the Magpul one, it's open, and then on a stock one, you have the pin there. So you need to measure it and make sure that you have the right size. So it kind of says it right here, commercial spec for a regular tube and mil spec. So I'm gonna try the mil spec one first. You're gonna want to place this on the gun itself. You're gonna want to push that spring in. It's kind of a pain, but so it's gonna take a little bit, but you want to push that spring in and then attach the buffer tube like so, and start screwing it in. Then you're gonna want to push that retaining pin for your buffer tube in. Probably gonna need some needle nose pliers for this. So it's gonna take a little bit. You gotta line up the tube notch with the notch on the adapter. But once it falls in, you just loosely tighten your nut, take your armor's wrench, and then tighten it the rest of the way. Like that. And just as easy as putting your buffer spring and tube back in. And you are ready to attach your sling after you put your upper on and go shooting. So that's gonna do it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please by all means leave a comment down below. If you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video.